Okay, so here is my installation video of the ProClip angled mount in a 2018 Hyundai Elantra GT. In a previous video, I took the whole dash apart to run some wires, and I ran an lightning cable from here underneath the glove box down and around and into the cubby here, so I can get CarPlay access in my head unit. So it's nice and clean looking right now. I drilled a little hole right underneath here and ran the cable. I'm gonna trim this. I'm just gonna cut a little slit in this rubber piece right here, this rubber mat, to make this lay flat, but that's about it. So now I'm going to install the ProClip. It comes in this nice little package here, and I will just open it up and try to do a quick install. Alright, so in the package it comes with a trim tool to help place the mount itself, and the instructions, which I don't really need. It kind of just pops right into place. So let's take a look here. Okay, so it's a pretty easy install. Make sure the logo is on the top, and I believe you just kind of scoot it underneath the bottom here and then press it into place above the vent. I'm going to need two hands to do it, so I'm going to pause this to get this installed. Okay, that only took a few seconds. I didn't even need the trim tool to do it. I literally just placed the bottom part here, and I kind of just push it up and into place over the vent, and it's really secure. It's not going anywhere. And here is my cable. I will install this guy. Once I have my phone mount, I'm going to be installing an iPhone mount right here. Alright, so all finished. I have this pivot iPhone mount here. Simple, it was just one screw and the mount screwed onto the back here. Really easy. And like I said, I ran the wire. I also put some heat shrink around the cable. One, to protect it so it doesn't fray, and two, it actually looks better than the interior. I can tuck it in a little further, but since I pivot the mount a little bit more, or since I pivot the mounts from side to side, I like to have the cord a little longer. But that's it. And then down here, I trimmed the rubber mat a bit. You can barely see it, but yeah, that's it. So that is my iPhone mount. I can't take a video of the phone in place because I'm using that to record, but it looks really good. All right, thanks guys.